MIPUM KHUDINGMAK MANNABA MITYENG YENGDUNA ACHUMBA WAYEL PINABA Legal Services Authority na logi Mateng Mathou Taba Shotharaba Shing Damak Lepli HAINA High Court of Manipur Chief Justice SHIDDARTH MIDUL na PHONGDORAKLI Empowering Justice Accessible Legal App for All Haipa Tim da Lepak Asigi Mafam Ayambada Pangthokliba National Legal Services Day ga mari lainana Pangthokpa Wakathon Lamthaba amaga mari lainana Wafam Assistive Justice SHIDDARTH MIDUL na phongdokhibani National Legal Services Authority ki mityeng makhada Manipur State Legal Services Authority masal sana sinduna pangthokpa wakalthon adu Chief Justice SHIDDARTH MIDUL na luchingduna Manipuri da leiba High Court of Manipuri complex dagi khongsalaga Kangla Pat Paring Paudona Uripok Lambida Laklaga Lampel Pat Leba Manipur State Legal Services Authority Masal Sagi Office ta Lamthongpham Oiki Legal Services Authority ki thongmising na sarukiyaduna chatakibo kathon aduga mari lainana Chief Justice SHIDDARTH MIDUL na hai kumjali sing masamapan marputara mangagi November mapanda Legal Services Authority Act pass tauki ba adu ningsingduna chahi khudiki numit as National Legal Services Day haina laibak asigi mafam ayamada pangthoknari Legal Services Authorities Act asi Shotharaba miyoi singda logi oiba mateng pinabagi damak hongdokhibani National Legal Services Day pangthokpagi maru oiba maramdi miyamda Legal Services Authority Act ki makhada yawriba provision sing amadi legislation sing asigi matangda ningthina khanghanbani India ki citizen amo oina mipum khudingmak masa masagi phangpham thokpa right lei mipum khudingmak asumma wayel phangbagi right su lei Logi Mateng Mathou Taba Shotharaba Singda Achumba WAYEL PINABA Legal Services Authority na ehenba mityeng thamli scheduled tribe scheduled caste nupi angang mimanatraba amadi lairabagi pankhai makhada leiba singda free legal aid ki khudong chaba asi lawba yagani wakathon asina miyamgi legal aid ki matangda marik sumba pausel piri maramaduna miyamna achumba WAYEL phangnabagi damak Legal Services Authority ki mateng lawbiyu haina SHIDDARTH MIDUL na phongdokhe
We want to provide free and competent legal aid, right? And this is the day on which it came into force. So we celebrate this day all over the country, in every state, in every city, in every district. The idea is to tell the people, particularly those who are consumers of justice and those who belong to disadvantaged sections as defined in the Act, that you have access to justice and that we will provide you free legal aid and competent legal aid. That's what it's all about. This is to remind people that they have a constitutional right to legal representation.